basically turn it on. That came off. This is starting to look like a comedy. So welcome back, folks, and today our friend V-TUF has sent me in some gifts. Now I'm going to be reviewing these products. Now I can say what the hell I like, but just remember one thing. With these products, you do get a special discount off. And let's be fair, if you can hear that rattling around in the hedge, it's birds. So today, when you use my code, anything off their website, you can get 10% off. So today, this item here, which would normally be 390 quid, you can get for 350. And that's with my code, and it's AutoGleam10. So let's have a quick unboxing and see exactly what we got. Now, as you can see, there's a box over here. Now, I don't know what's in that, but generally speaking, that's some little bits of goodies that I've asked them for. Hopefully it's all in there. It's for the actual V5 we've already got. It was some upgrades that they actually do, and I thought what would be great to show you guys all about that. And today we're on the V7. This is equivalent to your Karcher K7, and believe me, there is a difference between the two. And I'm not going to talk too much about Karcher because at the moment we're talking about V-TUF and a V7. So let's get her out the box. I mean, everything is in there, well packed up. Obviously there's cardboard, and if you look, we've got a foam cannon. So let's see if we can get them out the box easy or not. Obviously there's some bits here. This is what we've had previously. Obviously we got one of these, which is the foam gun. Ooh, more gadgets. Another one of these. Getting it out is going to be a struggle, I think. This does weigh a little bit. Yeah, I'm not going to be honest, I cannot get that out the box. I'm going to have to cut the box down to get them out. I hate destroying boxes, but unfortunately I've got no option. One will probably say there was an easy way of doing this, Steve, but it's obviously this is the way you've decided to do it. Probably if I just took the bottom off first. And there's the manual, all about it. So you can look at that at your leisure, but this is what we're interested in, is getting this little beast out. God, this weighs an absolute ton. Ugh. Another gadget. So the same as the previous one, this is where your connectors go. Now somewhere along the line, I guess this goes like that. That's great. Let's see what we got here. Bit of a skew width at the moment. Of course, it's how they've packed it up, haven't they? That must be down there. I'm guessing. How come pipes are always like this? Right, now, very simply, with this pipe, this actually goes on to here and it gets connected on. Same as previously. It's already got a filter built in, so you don't have to muck around and just tighten it up. No spanner required on this one. Now one would say, yes, you probably need a spanner on this one, but actually not really. You can just push him in and just screw him round using this piece. You're probably better off doing a hand tight, because if that doesn't leak, I wouldn't worry too much about it. And that's that all set up. This jobby fits on the back. So that just fits on the side like that. And then obviously, remember this is how I got it. So it could be all over the place. I know. Why don't you just read the instructions, Steve? Wouldn't that be too easy? There we go. Hey, bingo. Let's just put that in there for now. Actually, it might go that way, right? Oh no, that is the way it goes. Let's put that in there for now. Turning around to the front. God, it weighs so much. Weighs an absolute ton. And this is for your water. Nice copper or brass. Nice little filter in there. Just take it off of here and put that in there. Now you do need for this to tighten it up with a tool of some description, but I'll just hand tighten that for now. On off, very nice. Now I'm looking at the construction of this. I'm actually loving it. I actually think once again it's really strong, commercial looking. I can see that this could be a weak part, but there again, if the carture is exactly the same, it is what it is, but it's only winding this up. If you were doing a lot of work on it, could break, but it is plastic and it's got a screw on it, so this most likely is a replaceable part if it does break. But I'm guessing you won't be messing around with this too much anyway. On the back we got a 3-pin plug, standard, and I'm guessing there's a push button here, and I'm guessing this is for pushing this up. Soap condenser on there, so that's there if you want that. I do like the idea of this. And don't forget, it comes with your heads as well, so you don't have to buy any of these things. They're already ready to go. So we've now got all this sorted. You can see exactly what we're going to do with this. Now I am going to do a full review of this as well, but don't forget there is a code for you, AutoGleam 10, and you can get 10% off of this. And this today will cost you 350 quid or thereabouts. So let's have a look and see what is in the other box. Let's move this over here. I will fire that up shortly, but let's see what else. Well, in that box also, don't forget, these 2 items come, and this is one for spraying, basically deep cleaning. I think you've seen this in the other video. It's all right, there's nothing wrong with it, it does the job, but this is more powerful, so you'd expect more. And again, this is only what I call a cheap and cheerful foam gun, but don't get me wrong, it does still do the job. So it's sort of a basic thing. You can always upgrade on these things. Hopefully, yes, oh, excellent job. This is what I've wanted. Hopefully the rest of it's in there. So basically, this is an upgrade foam cannon. Well, that's the base of it. Looks like the rest of it's not there, it's fallen out. So basically this is your updated foam cannon, and this is not that pricey neither. This is actually quite reasonably priced. So if you want one of these, that is well priced. And we're going to be doing a review on this against some of the other brands. What else we got in here? Oh, a better quality brush than the previous one. More stronger. I'm sure you guys... I never use a brush, to be honest. I'll have to see what it's like. Some upgrade. So basically speaking, I was whinging about the I was whinging about the V5 pipe. Or is this just actually pipe for the machine? Maybe it's the pipe from the machine. Very much like my pipe I got. Yes, that's what it is. That's okay though. Just a job. What else we got in here? Another brush. Oh, it's good for wheels. Look, it connects onto the end of a hose pipe. So actually, that, we've got a turbo cleaner. Hey, this is a more powerful one. That looks a business. It looks like a vacuum cleaner head. Oh, we've got to have this out, haven't we? Look, I've got to take this out of the box. So look at this baby. I would say that'd probably make the Karcher one rubbish. Just look at that. That is full Monty, that is. Look at that. That is the business. Look, it's even got proper wheels on it. Look. Cleaning kit for cars. More green stuff. I haven't used the last one yet. We've got to use it, haven't we? I must use it. And super shine. And remember what I said about the super shine. I don't know how I can explain to you that it's more like, I found it more like a pre-wash. V-TUF, absolutely brilliant. So let's whip a bit of water in this and just see it going. Trouble is, I've got a lot of electricals around me today and I'm just trying out these things. So I don't know if I mentioned this. It's 195 bar and 130 working. And don't forget, there's a discount code in the description, AutoGleam 10, and that'll get you 10% off any product you buy from V-TUF. So any of these things you see, you get a special deal on. So let's have a go and press the key. So we've got it in, so that's working. Oh, so basically turn it on, that came off. This is starting to look like a comedy. I don't quite get it sometimes when you do this stuff. It's the sun. And I've not got a high pressure on at the moment because I didn't want to throw too much water around. Well, that's on. So we're just going to let that build up now. So let the water come through. It's more like rain, isn't it? Let's try another head. The one I normally use is an orange one. Once again, it's a very simple thing. You pull back and push in. Always make sure they're in, otherwise it'll fire like a gun. Yes. That's more powerful than the other one. Yeah, definitely. Now we'll put in the really strong one. That's the red one. Now this is the one usually, it'll burn. Don't do anything pointing that at anybody because that'll burn you. Oh yeah, definitely. I'm dying to use this actually. So there we go. We'll see you in the next video where we'll be doing a full-blown test on that. All the bits and pieces. Now, like I said, this whole package, which I've got, now I quite clearly not sure if the other bits and pieces, now these items don't come with it. For 350 notes, you get this, these two, and the machine. Which personally, I think this is a bargain considering how much a K7 is today. And today, I'm no kid you need an app on a phone to use it. But this, no apps required, it's just straightforward, how it should be. Just how I like it. Oh, I just like it how it is. I'm just looking at quality of this, I'm just loving it. I think absolutely well put together package. And like the other one I've been using, the V5, I've been using that all the time. The K7's been just parked in the garage and I never use. And once again, I'm almost certain that you'll be able to use the distilled water on this. Once again, siphon in action, straight in and straight out. And we'll see you again very shortly on Auto Clean Truths. Laters!